Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe ubhuti Mphoza unjani bhuti?
Angimnandi athiyami wena.
Ngimnandi. Overall the game, how did you say it?
Yo igame bemnanda ne. But I have to give it to Pirates. Pirates ibonisile ukuthi improve this season like ngifave Sundown but I can tell ukuthi yeah there's something lacking there and ngibonile amanye ama players amile like individual brilliance lapho nalapho yabona but all in all bengakuhlangani ayithola. So I'd like to say ukuthi yazini iPirates idlalile although nayo ngiyabona ukuthi khona into engahlangani but izohlangana yabo. Sure.
So ucela ukubuza since like ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini, don't you think ukuthi iPirates namhlanje kube wa convertile lama chances layo watholile mengaweni?
Hence I said ukuthi there are things ezingakahlangani because I thought maybe mayikore boma 3 first half. So hence I said ukuthi it dangerous. Yabona sesimele nje ukuthi ihlanganise lawo ma final touch lawo yabo. So I can say ukuthi iPirates idlalile yabona although ingafika ngalapho but ibonisile ukuthi yazini khathele lento lokuthi iSundowns in one sided game no today idlalile iPirates.
So ucela sikhulume ngeresults since uyisantawane 1-1 draw results. Igenzelana nale results going forward. How do you think ufila kanjani ngayo?
To be honest I can like mina for me a positive because besingadlali. Bekumele ngabe sidliwe like to be honest yabo. So for me nokuthola 1 point into grand yabo because ngifila ngathi bekumele sishaye boma 3 lapho. So for me I think izosebenzela like phambili le draw lesithole Vandag.
Okay, cela siringe ngegoli la kaDansini. What a goal.
I like goal of the season yeah. Like for the fact ukuthi ishaye ngeweaker foot. Yathola ivolley. Yathola and ushaye yabona and the fact ukuthi ushaye Africa's number 1 it says a lot mfethu. Igoli elihle leli yeah. Yazi mabashaya igoli mina ngibengilibheke ngaphandle until ngilibona selibhampa vele nethina I was like yo. Yeah, lishayile. Lishayile what a goal.
Cela sikhulume man ngeBhedlile because during the game sibonile man uMasinde and Allende they were on top of each other. What do you think about that Bhedlile between the two?
Yeah, the battle was very interesting. Futhi like first half Allende uqale ngathi yabona ubambile yabona. Although vele udlalile Allende but Masinde ubonile ukuthi yazini angeke ngigive up ngizopusha. And I think udlalile effect like bengakamami 90 minutes but today I can say ukuthi yeah udlalile like most of the time umbona ngama tackles like from the right side nangapha like yeah umuntu beka involve kakhulu so maybe the man of the match ngisho ukuthi hayi umntwana ulwile yeah because da essence uye mekavimba la ngiyabona uSantos nabo ubani konjubani player uSales uye lapha mekabhayizisa like ama touch wethu lapha so I can say udlalile naye.
Okay, so when in terms of him playing wakho for you ukuthi ubona ushalulile namhlanje mujabulile?
I was not happy to be honest yeah. Okay, angeke ngithi bengihappy. I thought maybe Reynas ulimela ne. But mina like for this season like Reynas umuntu oscorelayo so I don't understand ukuthi why aqala ngaphandle whether only I know ubuya injury but lo muntu lona mangabheka ukorile this season like uyakora so I don't understand ukuthi although ushalula korile but I would prefer ukuthi uqala uReynas ngambani siliyo uqala uReynas because umuntu okwazi ukushaya amarana kahle in yakwazi ukurelease ibhola ngesikhathi and also ispeed yabo. Sure.
Okay, last question. Since mekudlala ama Giants amakhulu la eSouth Africa currently which is Pirates and Sundowns, do you think it was a good display?
I wouldn't say so, like I was expecting like more to be honest because when you Monga whereas like Pirates now. Today I won't talk about so much Sundown because now Sundown off. But the Pirates like I expected to just like shy Sundown yabona. Although it came imnandi but I think makes over into enkulu Pirates kahle bekumele iphume newini la to be honest yabo. So ngicabanga ukuthi benzoba mnandi kube A1 bewinile yabo. Sure.
You've heard it Mapagania. Bopa. Albopha Santawana.